Top 5 Cajun-influenced products. Hey y'all! Welcome back to Legends of Louisiana, where we celebrate the heart and soul of Cajun culture. Today we're spicing things up with the top 5 Cajun-influenced products that'll transport your taste buds straight to the bayou. Number 5. Tony's Creole Seasoning. This ain't your average salt and pepper, it's a symphony of flavors. Perfect for everything from gumbo to fries. Ever sprinkled this magic dust on your food? Tell us your favorite dish in the comments. Number 4. Tabasco. A few drops of this iconic Louisiana hot sauce will add a fiery kick to any meal. Have a memorable Tabasco experience? Share your story with us. Number 3. Zapp's Potato Chips. These Cajun-style chips come in a wild array of flavors, from voodoo to spicy Cajun craw-tater. Ever tried these crunchy delights? Let us know your go-to flavor. Number 2. Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning. Don't let the name fool you. This seasoning is all about love for bold flavors. It's a staple in Cajun kitchens, and we bet it'll be in yours too. Ever cooked with Slap Ya Mama? Share your recipe secrets. And the number 1 Cajun-influenced product is Community Coffee. From chicory-infused blends to dark roasts, this Louisiana classic will perk up your mornings. Ever sipped on a cup of Community Coffee? Tell us about your coffee rituals. All right, Legends of Louisiana fam, that's our top 5. Did we miss any of your Cajun favorites? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old Cajun thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Louisiana adventure.